The exciting thing about this program is that it is the revitalisation of these native grasses, and there hasn't been much research done on that. And collaborating with Bayer and the Institute and with the Indigenous community, we're hoping to have some really positive outcomes that makes our Aboriginal community sustainable in the commercial production of the native grains. Hi, my name's Diane Hall. I'm a Yuwallarei Yuwali woman from Gamilaroi country. I'm currently working here in the native grains area, looking at revitalising these grains. The native grains have been around for over 60,000 years, and we as Indigenous people have just known the seeds as a way of knowing, being and doing. We have used it as a food source. We were amongst the first bread makers. And this is what makes the program extra exciting, because we're revitalising old practices in a modern setting, and hopefully that then leads on to a commercial industry, which leads into supporting communities, making them sustainable in their own business within the native grains.
So Bayer provided a corporate donation towards the University of Sydney to conduct a 3-year research program that is investigating the untapped potential of native grains as a potential food source. Bayer's donation into this frontier research program is really underpinned by our desire to create a more healthy, sustainable Australia. So to date, there's not been any research conducted in this area, so it's a really exciting space to be playing in.
We're very grateful for the partnership of Bayer on this project, and so being able to work together on this project means that we can do something really special for country and for people. The aim of this project is to be able to select a few different wild types of 2 species, native millet and Mitchell grass, that yield a bit better and perform a little bit better for their grain production. So we're not doing any plant breeding as such, it's just selection from wild populations. The focus for Year 1 is collecting some really diverse plants from places across the country. We're focusing on Gomeroi country for this project, so we're collecting seed now in the summer so that we can plant them over the winter and then start to test them over next summer. The outcomes of this project will be really far-reaching. Being able to produce plant varieties that can be planted on country, particularly in rural and remote areas, is one way that we can re-spark and revitalise ancient practices. So being able to replant them, harvest them and sell them is a cultural activity for Indigenous people, but it can revitalise whole communities and in terms of its economic benefits as well. So being able to start local businesses and do things that are meaningful in their local communities.